Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashwini from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, affiliated to VTU. So today's topic is about the essentials of biodiversity in biology. So let us see what is biodiversity. Biodiversity is an essential process that supports all life on Earth, including humans without a wide range of animals, plants, and microorganisms that we cannot leave the healthy ecosystems that we rely to provide with the air and breathe the food we eat. And people also value the nature of itself. Some aspects of biodiversity are instinctively widely valued to the people but are more we study the biodiversity, the more we see that it is important, and even the bugs and the bacteria that we cannot see may also not like look for. There are also lots of ways that humans depend upon the biodiversity, and it is a vital for conservation. So, pollutants, pollinators such as birds, bees, and other insects that are estimated to the responsible for the third of the world's crop production. Without the pollinators, we would not have apples, cherries, blueberries, almonds, and many other foods we eat. Agriculture is also reliant upon the invertebrates. They also help to maintain the health and soil crops that grow in. So, soil teeming in the microbes are the vital for liberating the nutrients that plant that need to be and are also passed when we eat them. So, life for the oceans provide the main source of animal protein for many of the people. So, next, let us see the types of biodiversity. There are following of three types. So they are genetic, species, and ecological diversity. So let us see one by one. So these are the pictures of genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. So what? So first, let us see what is species diversity. Diversity refers to the variety of different types of species found in the particular area. It is a biodiversity and the most basic level. It includes all the species ranging from plants to different microorganisms. So, no two individuals of the same species are exactly similar. For example, humans show a lot of diversity among themselves. Genetic diversity. It refers to the variations among the genetic resources of the organisms. Every individual, the particular species, differs for each other in the genetic constitution. That is why every of the human looks different from each other, and similarly the different varieties of same species of rice, wheat, maize and barley, etc. So next we'll see what is ecological diversity. An ecosystem in the collection of living and non-living organisms and their interactions with each other of ecological biodiversity refers to the variations in plants and animal species living together and connected by the food chains and food webs. So the importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity and its maintenance are very important for sustaining the life on Earth. And a few reasons explaining the importance of biodiversity are ecological stability, economic importance. First, let us see what is ecological stability. In every species that has a specific role in an ecosystem, they have to capture and store the energy and also produce, decompose for the organic matters. So, the ecosystem supports the service without the which humans cannot survive. A diverse ecosystem is more productive and can withstand environmental stress. Economic importance. Biodiversity is a reservoir for the resources for the manufacture of food, cosmetic products, and pharmaceuticals. Crop, livestock, and fishery and forest are the next source of food. So wild plants such as cinchona and foxglove plant are used for medical purposes. Food, fibers, perfumes, lubricants, rubber, resistance, poison, and coke are derived from the different plant species. So now let us see the ethical importance. All the species have a right to exist. Humans should not cause their voluntary extinctions biodiversity that preserves the different cultures and spiritual heritage. Therefore, it is very important to conserve the biodiversity. Biodiversity in India are the most nations of the world. It ranks ninth in terms of plant species richness and two of the world's of 25 biodiversity hotspots that are found in India. It is the origin and important species such as pigeon, pea, eggplant, cucumber, cotton, and sesame. India is also the center of various domesticated species such as millets, cereals, legumes, vegetables, medical, and aromatic crops, etc. India is equally diverse in its faunal wealth. There are about 91,000 animal species that are found here. However, biodiversity are duplicating at a drastic rate and various programs on biodiversity conservation have been launched in conserve nature. So let's see what is the role of biodiversity in maintaining the environmental balance. Biodiversity is ecosystems that productivity where each species, no matter how small, all has an important role to play. For example, the large of plant series means it's a great one to greater series diversity that ensures the natural sustainability for all the life forms. So let's move on to the next, that is history of biodiversity. The term biological diversity was used first by Arthur Harris in the Variable Desert Scientific American. The bare statement that region contains a flora, which and genera, and the species of the diverse generic origin are the affinity in entirely inadequate as a descriptions of real biological diversity. That is done in 1916. Next, we'll see what is happened in 1967. Raymond Dasman used for the term biological diversity is the reference to the richness of every people and nature that should protect the book of different kind of the countries. So these are many of the history of biodiversity you can look for in 1974, 1980, 85, and 1988. So that's all for the today's video. And we can also see that biodiversity hotspots are also done. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for all everyone for watching my video. Please do like, share to your friends and family. Thank you.